Hi there, this is Mo of Mo West Creations. Today I'm going to show you some DIY cutout shirts. Whole bunch of different varieties of things you can do with t-shirts with just cutting. So here we have a halter top made from a men's shirt with just 3 ties and no sewing required. Here we have a fishtail style crop top with the back totally open and woven. Here we have a nice, simple, triangle-shaped stripe cut out of the back, and the front is very casual and plain. And here, paired with it, we have a vest that was made from a men's t-shirt. The logo on the front of the t-shirt has now become sort of a patch on the back of the vest, and it looks great worn long or tied up. And we mustn't forget the fringe. Here we have sort of a Zumba-inspired dance wear layering shirt, little crop top with lots of long fringe. Here we have another fringe-influenced shirt with a bit more coverage that you don't have to layer, still just as funky. And here we have a crop top with a little bow in the front. This shirt was long and baggy, and with a simple snip and tie, it has become completely updated. The sleeves and collar cut off of this little number, and then the sides slit and tied up for a nice fit, make this one a perfect classic. This tank top, corset inspired, is no sewing required, perfect fit, made from a men's t-shirt. This has been Mo of Mo West Creations, showing you some ideas for DIY cutout shirts. Ciao!